everybody, I am teacher Kiara and we are here for the first class of 2026 people. Having a very happy new year. But in today's video, we are going to talk about the alphabet. You can imagine how I am in love by the alphabet. But anyway, in English, the alphabet has 26 letters. Among these 26 letters, we have 5 vowels. The other ones are consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, and U. Observe, people, that each letter has 2 versions. We have the capital letter form and the lowercase version. So here we have the capital A, the lowercase a, the capital B, and the lowercase b. Well, the capital letters we use it to mention names and we use it to start paragraphs, among other things. For the rest of the situations, we usually use, or at least we are supposed to use, lower case letters. Well, people, let's analyze the pronunciation. So please pay attention. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Oops, people, there is a mistake here. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright, so this is the pronunciation of each letter in English. Now, people, again, but this time you repeat after me. A, A, B, B, C, C, B, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, 8, 8, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, English, Z. American English, Z. British English, Z. People, you repeat many times, as much as you need. But people, would you like to alert about some details? Here, the pronunciation is D. Observe, D. And here, the pronunciation is G. G. D. G. D. G. Another important detail is the pronunciation of this letter. It is Q. Q. It is not Q. No, people. You don't want to say that, okay? It is not Q. It is Q. Q. I like for some letters to thinking associations. For example, Y. I like to associate to Y and the word Y. Y and Y. For U. U is a vowel, of course, but U has the same pronunciation of the pronoun you. You and you. And of course, people, we have I. I is directly a pronoun. I. I. People, now let's see how well you have practiced the alphabet. Let's go to some exercises. Alright, people, I've got here my appointment book and I've done some notes before. Here I have 4 words. I will spell one by one and you write them. Okay, they are 4 words. They are not too long, but they are not short too. But anyway, let's get started. First word. D. I. C. T. I. O. N. A. R. Y. That's the first word, people. Let me repeat. D. I. C. T. I. O. N. A. R. Y. Well, this is a complete word. We will correct as soon as we finish all the words. Second word. This one is shorter. D. E. N. I. N. Again, this word, one more time. D. E. N. I. N. Let's move on. Word number 3. A. R. R. A. N. G. E. One more time, people. A. Double R. A. N. G. E. This was actually letter 3. Now let's go to the fourth and the last word. Let me get started. E, N, R, I, C, 8. Again, people, the same word one more time. E, N, R, I, C, 8. Alright, people? Let's correct it. So, here we have the words, people. The first one is dictionary. DICTIONAR. Why? It is a school item that we don't see anymore, you know. They're really uncommon at least. The second one is Denim. D-E-N-I-N. Okay? N. Denim. Denim is a fabric. You know, the fabric that we can find in jeans? The name of it is denim. Arrange. Arrange is like a plan, more or less, you know. But let's review the spelling of this word. A-R-R-A-N-G-E. People, when we have two letters together, instead of repeating the letter, it's okay, you can do that, but you have a second option. You can say double A. In this case, double R. But if you prefer to repeat the letter, it's correct too. And the last word, that is a verb, a very nice word, people. Enrich. Let's pronounce the spelling. Let's check the pronunciation of the spelling actually. E-N-R-I-C-H. E-N-R-I-C-H. This word, people, means to get rich. If a person gets rich, this person enriches. People, that's the class and the practice of today. Thank you so much for your audience. I love to have you with me, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye bye for now.